Hello everybody, in today's video we'll be unboxing Jethro Cell Phone's new SC490 bar style phone. This is an unlocked 4G phone, which is great because, as I'm sure you've heard, 3G phones are now being faded out. This phone will work with carriers like our own Jethro mobile service, which runs off T-Mobile, as well as other carriers like AT&T, Verizon, and many more. But I'll make a separate video going into further detail about those specifics. Now let's get into this video. So now let's get into unboxing the phone. So it comes in just this little box like this. Here's a 360 view of the box. And opening up the phone box now. So it comes with just the phone sitting on top just like this. And I'm just going to take the phone off and move it to the side really quick while we get into everything else that comes in this separate box here. So opening it up, it comes with the charging dock, the cable that plugs into the charging dock, and the piece that plugs into the wall. And this charging dock is really nice because you can just set the phone into it and start charging. You don't have to worry about any cables or anything like that. And this phone battery will last about 3 to 5 days depending on how much you use it. Now what also comes in this box is the battery for the phone. And it looks just like this. And then additionally in this box is the instruction manual. And this will teach you very simply how to turn on the phone, how to make phone calls, and how to use other features like the camera and the SOS button. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment any questions or concerns you may have, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, giveaways, and other fun things. I've also included the link in the description below to our affordable, flexible, and reliable Jethro mobile plans, starting at just $5 a month, so don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching.